Thank you for investing your time in this course, which is the key to your marketing success. Here, you will find innovative ways of growing your list, generating massive traffic to your sites, increasing your conversion and purchase rate, and so many more exciting things. The best part is you can achieve all these just by implementing the technique of video marketing. In this video, I'm going to lead you through the basics of the video marketing blueprint. Without any further ado, let's begin. I believe that most of you have had the experience of watching a sales video on a sales page, and you know how powerful it is to have the video attached to a sales page. People nowadays can get access to content on the internet fast, so it's natural that they want things to be fast. Hence, here comes the video marketing technique. Visuals always work better than text. To further increase the exposure of your service or products, video marketing is a time-tested technique. The internet user watches an average of 186 videos per month. This is a stat according to Comscore Inc., a global digital market measurement service. You can see that there is a trend here. People are naturally more inclined to watch videos than to read. So why tell when you can show them? Showing a short video is much more effective than presenting long texts. Moving on, visuals create an experience to the audience when compared to text. People would have a clearer idea of what your services or product will be like through watching videos. Because it's more engaging and user-friendly, everyone can understand what you're presenting. So now that you know the reason why you need a video for marketing, the next step is to prepare the necessary tools for it. First of all, especially for newbies, it's to find a niche for your business. Finding a suitable niche to start the business in is the utmost important task you should do before anything else. You'll learn more about this and all the other topics later on as we explore each topic. Next, you'll need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is basically an online service that manages your mailing list. As your mailing list grows, you'll need help in managing it. Updating your list will have to be automated because it would be impossible to manage it manually. What I recommend to you are Aweber and GetResponse. The price of the service per month varies depending on the number of subscribers. Pick the package that fits your budget and your business growth. And then you'll need to prepare a squeeze page or landing page. A squeeze page is basically there to collect the emails of your visitors and grow your mailing list. It plays a vital role in your video marketing, as you know that list building is very, very critical to the success of any business, regardless of whether you're online or off. So a squeeze page is definitely a must. In the squeeze page, you would need to give the visitor a reason to opt in their email address to become your subscriber. So you'll need to give them an offer, something they would appreciate. Better yet, something free. This is why you need a free report. The free report can be in any form to give them basic information on what your product is all about. So then, the visitors will get the free report with access to the collection of powerful internet business tips, updates, and articles simply by subscribing to you. Remember, this offer is a free offer. You can't lose. Right after they've opted in with their email address, you'll lead them to the download page for their free report. This can be in 3 forms: sending it through email, the one-time offer page, or the thank you page. I will explain about this later in the module as well. Finally, once everything has been set up completely, the next thing you need to do is generate traffic to the squeeze page. You can generate massive traffic by using different kinds of techniques, but in this course, I'm going to talk about how to generate traffic with videos. Some of you may have been in the business long enough, but let us revise a bit on the niche research. One of the criteria of niche is that it must be an active niche. The chances that you're going to get a buyer's list is higher when your niche is a highly active niche. Almost every single marketer would like to grow their buyer's list instead of getting passive subscribers. Moving on, you must have a targeted niche, a more specific niche. You wouldn't want your subscribers to focus on too many things. For instance, you could find a niche that focuses on internet marketing. This can be said to be an evergreen niche that could sustain your business for the long term. You may be wondering how to find the suitable niche to start your business and how to check the status of a niche, whether it's an active or a dying down niche. You can start with joining Facebook groups. Search for the keywords in Facebook. You can see that some groups show up in the results. Join them and start talking to them. You already understand what a squeeze page is. A squeeze page must be straight to the point. Do not make them read too much. A simple one with the focus on some of the features and benefits will do. Most importantly, of course, the opt-in forms. Some squeeze pages require a two-step opt-in, but from my own personal experience, a simple opt-in to ask for their first name and email address after the features and benefits will have the same effect. A small reminder here is to ensure the opt-in form is connected to your autoresponder. You wouldn't want to waste any single subscriber to your mailing list. If you do not link the opt-in form to the autoresponder, you will not get the email address from them. You'll make your squeeze page different from others by offering them a free report. Your free report could be in any of these forms: ebook, video courses, report or case studies, software, or PLR products. The main purpose of a download page is to deliver them the free report. Make sure the product gets delivered to them. There are several ways of doing your download page. First, you can send them via email. Once they've clicked on the subscribe button, they'll receive an email from you with the attached link to download the product. Second, they will be directed to a one-time offer page, which I highly recommend. On this page, you're going to offer them another product with special discounts just for subscribers. Remember to make the one-time offer an irresistible offer by implementing the scarcity factor. You want them to feel the sense of urgency. Thirdly, direct them to a thank you page with a download link attached in the page. The core of this course is in generating massive traffic through your videos. The higher the rank of your video, the higher the chance of it bringing you organic traffic. Organic traffic is free traffic generated through the video itself. In a worst-case scenario, your video couldn't bring much organic traffic to you, and then you'll spend money on buying ads from YouTube or Facebook. Setting up your budget and target audience will help counter this. Follow the steps to create an advertising campaign in YouTube or Facebook. And finally, you'll get traffic from your own list as well. Send them a promotional email with the attachment of the link to your video. Before you start your production, the first thing that you should do is to decide on the type of video that you want to create. There are several types of videos you can consider. The first one is a screencast, or video screen capture. It can be used to demonstrate a product or tutorial. You can do this by recording your screen of the product and narrating at the same time about your offer. Or you can make it an on-screen tutorial to walk your audience through how to use a particular product. The recommended software to use for the video screen capture is Camtasia. Second one is PowerPoint or Keynote slides. This is the one where you deliver your message to your viewers through PowerPoint or Keynote presentation slides as you narrate. This type of video is extremely effective if you have a really long topic to share. You can even make it a series of videos to share with them every week or month. The next one will be a talking head. This type of video is very good for personal branding because the audience will see what you look like and how you interact with them. This is great for businesses such as coaching programs and webinars. Moreover, besides putting yourself in the video, you can interview someone to endorse your services or upcoming launch. Apart from this, you can interview the customers for testimonials. This is good social proof where someone else could talk about your services or products. This is quite effective, as having someone else to talk about your product enforces your credibility. You can choose to put the video on live on the net, which is called livestream or webcast. Go to livestream.com or ustream.tv and you can record live video of yourself or an interview with experts online. If you're not so keen on appearing in person, you can use animation as a substitution. There is plenty of software available online that could make your work easier, such as Video Maker FX. It's a great way to create an animated video as it's so easy. You do not need extensive knowledge in animation to create an animation with Video Maker FX.